How to deposit check on Simplii Financial. Welcome to Techmates, and let's get right into this video. To deposit a check using your Simplii Financial mobile banking, get yourself the Simplii Financial mobile banking app. Once you have installed the application, you can easily log in into your banking account. In here, you have to navigate to the option of mobile deposit. Select on the option on the app's main menu or home page. From there, select on check deposit. You need to capture the check image both back and the front. Make sure that you click a clear picture. Now once you have captured it, confirm the detail regarding the deposit. That is the deposit amount and the account that you want to transact the money for. Once you have rechecked it, submit and keep the record. You can just select on the option of transfer. By this way, you'll be able to deposit your check using your Simplii mobile banking app. If not, you can do the old-fashioned way, that is visiting the local branch and depositing your check. That brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.